Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella, and today we're gonna make a soybean paste stew. Soybean paste is a fermented food, and stew made of this ingredient is a food that most Koreans enjoy in ordinary days. It contains a lot of vegetables and tofu, so it is very healthy food. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Tofu, potato, kelps and anchovy, soybean paste, red pepper paste, mushroom, chili, green pumpkin, first thing you gotta do is wash the rice with water because I'm gonna use the water that was used to wash the rice. Wash the rice with water about 3 times and throw them away. And on the first times, leave the half of them on the side. Now let's cut down the tofu. Slice them into a bite size. Cut them horizontally and vertically. Cut the both ends of green pumpkin. Slice them into half and cut them into bite size. It'll look like a half moon. Then cut down the chili into a circular shape. Also cut down the potato into a bite size. Slice the bottom part of mushroom and tear them out. Cut down the onion into bite size. Boil the final washing water of rice with a kelp and anchovy. Boil them about 10 minutes. Then remove the kelp and anchovy in a boiling water. Put 2 spoons of soybean paste and 1 spoon of red pepper paste. Then I'm going to add a vegetable in it. Put a chopped onion and potato first because these ingredients usually takes a long time to be done. Add a chopped green pumpkin. Then put a chopped tofu and mushroom. Mix them together. Add a chopped chili to add a spicy flavor. Boil this for 20 minutes in medium heat. If you're done making it, then let's try the soybean paste stew. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.